Introducing the steel plate drilling machine by Nagel, Brazil. A high-performance solution for precise steel plate drilling. With CNC control, this machine uses Gühring RT 100 Inox Pro drills with a diameter of 1.5 to 20 millimeters. In this case, 1.5 and 2.0 millimeters were used. The robust gantry design enables both transverse and vertical movement, providing flexibility in handling. It supports drilling diameters from 1.5 to 14 millimeters and reaches drilling depths of up to 30 millimeters. Equipped with broken tool detection, the machine ensures smooth operation with minimal downtime. Enjoy extremely high tool life, up to 60% higher. This machine is powered by Gühring RT 100 Inox Pro drills. Engineered for top performance. Experience very high feed rates, up to 50% faster. With a concave main cutting edge, a 140-degree tip angle, internal cooling, and a drilling depth of 15 times the diameter, they deliver exceptional results. And get the best surface quality with up to 30% lower roughness. With a spindle speed ranging from 5,000 to 15,000 RPM, it can manage large workpieces with dimensions up to 1,500 by 3,200 millimeters. Nagel, where passion meets precision.